Have you ever stood in your closet and thought, none of this feels like me anymore? You are not alone. And that moment is usually something bigger and deeper. And it is exactly why I started the Styled Well Blueprint. Because when your clothes no longer reflect who you are now, it can feel a little bit disorienting. I'm Jen. I'm a style coach for women 40 and beyond, and I work with women who are entering a new season. Whether it's their body that has changed, their lifestyle, their career, something has shifted and they are ready to start showing up differently. So, what is the Styled Well Blueprint? It is a personalized visual style guide that helps you to reconnect with your style and your confidence. This is not a generic style quiz or a copy paste wardrobe. This is about you, your body, your life, and your goals. You are going to get a 60-minute virtual session with me, your 3-word style compass, your visual shape and silhouette guide that is exactly for you. You're going to get outfit recipes that make getting dressed simpler, color suggestions that help you shop smarter, and all of this in this downloaded PDF that you can refer back to at any time. Now, who is this for? This is for the woman who is ready to stand in front of that full closet, but feel like she has everything to wear. If you've changed, but your clothes haven't, this is the perfect time for you to step into this blueprint. This is not about hiding your body or following trends. This is about building a wardrobe that is uniquely you, based on your silhouette, your season, and your lifestyle. At the end of your Styled Well Blueprint, you'll not only know what to wear, but you'll know why it works for you. If you're ready to feel confident in your clothes again without starting over, let's get started on your Styled Well Blueprint. Click below and let's get started on getting you to feel like you again.